So next topic is equality of matrices. So the thing is, when can we call two matrices as equal matrices? So the question is, when can we say two matrices are equal? So here, suppose the first matrix is A, the second matrix is B, and A has elements of this form Aij, right? And B has elements of this form Bij. This is the name for these two matrices. For these two matrices, we call them to be equal when they have same order. And second thing, all the elements in the corresponding positions, that means same positions having the same indexes, are equal. For example, suppose I'm saying the first matrix is A, B, C and D. So I'm saying this matrix is equal to this matrix. The matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4. I have written this thing. Now according to this thing here, I'm saying the first matrix is equal to second matrix. When would this be possible? When the order, if you see the order for this first matrix, what is that? We have two rows, first row and second row, and two columns, first row, column and second column. So the order is 2 cross 2. Here also we have two rows and two columns. So here also the order is 2 cross 2. So first point is satisfied. They have the same order. And then we have to see if the corresponding entries, they are equal or not. So in this case, if A is equal to 1, then and B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 3 and D is equal to 4, the corresponding entries, that means A is 1, B is 2, right, C is 3 and D is 4. So in that case, if that is so, then both of these matrices, they are equal to each other, right? So let's see certain questions regarding this concept. So the first question here is, if you are given two matrices, one is x plus y, 1, 2y and 5. This matrix is equal to another matrix 7, 1, 4 and 5, right? Then the question is, find x. So in this case, you are given two matrices and both of the matrices, they are equal to each other. So we are to calculate what is the value of x here. And in fact, we can also calculate, find y also. So for the solution, what we will do, first of all, we will see whether the order is same or not. So in the first matrix, you see we have two rows and two columns. So the order is 2 cross 2. For the second right hand side matrix, we have 2 cross 2 order. So that means, again, because we have two rows and two columns, so therefore in this case the order is also 2 cross 2, which is the same, right? And then what we have to see, we have to see the corresponding numbers. The corresponding numbers should be same. So that means I'm saying x plus y here at the first position, first row, first column, should be equal to 7 at the first row, first column in the second matrix. So that means x plus y should be equal to 7. Another thing, the second element here, that is 1, it should be equal to the second element here, that is 1, which is true, right? This always happen. Next thing, we can say that this 2y here should be equal to this 4 here. So we can say 2y is equal to 4. And lastly, we can say that this 5 should be equal to this 5. So which is true, no need to check for this. So from here, you see we obtain two expressions. one is x plus y is equal to 7 and one is 2y is equal to 4. Both of these expressions, they are true. Why? Because we are given that these two matrices are equal. So therefore, if now if you are asked to calculate what is the value of x and what is the value of y, so what you will do here, you will calculate y from this equation. 2y is equal to 4. So what you will do, you will divide on 2 on both sides, so that your y is equal to 2. And in the first equation, how will you calculate the value of x? We will use this equation, x plus y is equal to 7. So when you use this equation, x plus y is equal to 7, so you just substitute this y here onto this position. So that means you will have x plus, instead of y, now you are writing 2 is equal to 7, so that you have x is equal to 7 minus 2, which is 5. So we obtain the value of x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2, right? So this was very easy question. Let me give you one more question here so that you have a better understanding. So the question is, suppose we are given some matrix capital A, which is a 2 cross 2 matrix having entries cos of alpha, minus sine of alpha, and then sine of alpha, and then cos of alpha. Then they are saying, then for what values of alpha is the matrix A, is the matrix capital A an identity matrix? An identity matrix. Now recall, what is an identity matrix? It is a square matrix where on the diagonal we have the number 1 and everywhere else we have the number 0. So in the question they are saying calculate what is the value of alpha given the matrix A is equal to the identity matrix capital I. So let me write down the matrix A, which is the given matrix cos alpha minus sine alpha, then sine alpha, and then cos of alpha. This matrix is equal to the identity matrix, which has to be of the same order. So you see, what is the order here? You have 2 rows and 2 columns. So the order is 2 cross 2. So that means here also the order should be 2 cross 2. And you know what is the identity matrix of order 2 cross 2? You have 1 on the diagonal and everywhere else you have 0. Now what we are saying? We are saying both of these matrices, they are equal to each other. Both of these matrices are equal to each other. So that means this means the corresponding elements would be the same, are equal. So in that case, I can say cos of alpha, the first entry here, is equal to 1. Cos of alpha is equal to 1. Minus sine of alpha is equal to 0. Third entry, sine of alpha is equal to 0. And the fourth entry, cos of alpha is equal to 1. So you see, basically we got out of these 4 equations, if you look carefully, the first equation is nothing but cos alpha is 1 and sine alpha is equal to 0. Now here, in order to calculate what is the value of alpha, what do we require? We require to solve a little trigonometry, because alpha here is the angle. So when is the value of cos of some angle equal to 1 and sine of that same angle is equal to 0? It is when alpha is 0, right? 0 degree. So in this case, the value of alpha is 0. So this is the final answer. So I hope you got this concept for this equality of matrices.